Get a feel for the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The heavy-duty, full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, keyless entry, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Don't you deserve a truck you can depend on when the going gets tough? Drive the Silverado 2500 HD.